Here's a quick view of how our machine cuts the stone. First, we use a finger bit to cut all the holes, faucet holes, or the corners of the, for example, an L shape. And then once that's complete, we cut off roughly an inch from the slab. It's called a relief cut. That way it reduces pressure from the rest of the stone during the cut, so not any snaps or cracks on the in the general areas. Here's the last run. Once that's done, now it's getting into the official cuts for the countertop. On average, about an hour, maybe 2 hours per slab that it takes for it to cut, depending on complexity and stone density. Once it's done cutting, one of our team members rinses it off, uses a squeegee so we can put our labels on. Each piece gets its own label and almost like a QR code. That way it doesn't get lost in the shop and people know where it goes. Once it's done, load it on the carts and ready for fabrication.